Okay, Barrington, you have to push it to get the treats out. Well, you can smell them now. I think I might have made it very challenging for you. Nothing's coming out. Go on, push it. Little too frustrating, huh? Maybe that was the point of this, is that it's supposed to be so frustrating that nothing ever comes out and you just kick it around. Oh, something almost came out. It's pretty funny. Okay, I think I'm going to make it a little larger. Oh, look, a piece came out. That's very exciting. Oh, maybe I won't make it any bigger. This could drive you crazy for a really long time. Excellent present. Do you like this egg, Barrington? Oh, move away from me. Show people how it works. Oh, a piece came out. That's very exciting. What do you do with the egg? Look, what do you do with it? Oh, look, there's a piece on the ground. There's a piece. Okay, see if you can get some more. See if you can get some more pieces out of it. Go on. Go on. No? That's it?